Good morning, friends. This is Sriharsha from Crazy Money with Sri, and today is 17th of November. And let's see what's happening in the market, what happened yesterday, what is going to happen today, and how you need to be positioned yourself. Guys, if you have not been a part of my YouTube channel, go ahead and like this video, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications. So let's get started, guys. What happened yesterday? Yesterday, in fact, for us, due to Bali Purnami, we had the off, and Indian markets were not working. But if you have look at Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, all of them have done all together. It has crossed. It has made a new high from the time point of view of closing, and all of them were almost nearby to their all-time highs. That was one positive thing. This was mainly due to the vaccine which Moderna company has actually come out with, which is actually showing positive results. So the vaccines are actually driving the market right now. So the COVID situation, whatever was there, the main worries people had, that's almost gone. So that's what you can actually see. Markets are driven by that, and even the European markets have done close to the all-time highs. All of them were actually doing extremely well. Now, guys, this is a place where you need to be extremely cautious. Now, if you look at what happened in the month of February, March, it was because of this coronavirus. The entire fall had happened, and when this entire fall had happened, the main thing is market doesn't like uncertainty. And market, when it doesn't like uncertainty, what it actually means is we don't know what is this virus, we don't know what is the effect of this, we don't know how much impact it's going to create. So that was the main reason of all this panic which actually happened. Now that we know that there is a vaccine coming in, and there's a lot of actually stimulus packages and all which are going to come. Some of them have already come, some of them are going to come. So these are certain things which are quite certain. So overall market looks quite good from those perspective. But generally, guys, what we have seen is whenever too much of good news comes, is also not too good for the market, because market knows about this. So what I can see is there are some of the negative patterns which are getting formed, though there is no confirmation yet, which probably can drive the market down. So this is a place where we need to be extremely cautious. This is not a place where you need to add on fresh positions. This is a place where, because see, I had told you about a big correction which could come. That kind of correction did not happen, but now is a time there could be still a possibility of a correction going to come. But one thing is, because from 10,800 till almost now 12,800, almost close to 2,000 points, the move what has happened is hardly happened within a close to a month. So this is a too short span of time where almost we have moved up quite a lot, almost close to 20% movement in just 1 month. We actually look at this kind of movement in a 1 year. That is a kind of volatility which we are generally looking at. So if we are looking at such a fast movement, don't expect such thing to continue. So that is something which we have to be very very importantly careful about, because most of the movement, at least at this point of time, is already done. So this, what is seen in the market is generally when the movement has happened too fast, too big movement too fast, it would come back at least to test that back again. So there is a very high probability, but these things will not happen immediately. This will be slow and steady. Things will happen. It will because there are too many gaps, too many supports. So but now actually the major thing what is there is market doesn't have the fear. So the fear factor is not there. Even if now the correction comes, people will not look at this as a big correction or any big movements on the downside. People will look it more like a profit booking. So the whole thing right now is we may not look at this very seriously like we were looking earlier. The panic which was there that the market will fall down, that is not there. And right now is also a time for you to look at building your portfolio. So whenever the market is going to come down, you need to look at uh, the stocks which you want to hold for a long term. This is the ideal time. What I can see is we may not see too big a fall on the index side, but we may see a quite a good sizable fall, or at least a retracement what we can see on most of the stocks. So whichever stock you want to actually hold it in your portfolio, start looking for these stocks. Whenever there is a dip, you need to look at actually start deploying your investment whenever there is a dip. So keep looking for opportunities, and whenever there is a dip, keep actually investing. That is the best possible strategy which you can do, because this is not so earlier the fall happened just in 1 month. Now this fall could probably go on for 3 to 6 months, as I can see, till we then probably the market again will start giving a movement on the upside. So this will not be a straight away one sided fall. This will be more of sideways to negative is what I can see at this point of time. So we will have a clear cut idea once actually market shows its movements. But what I can see is at least all the gaps whatever is formed, that has to get filled. So so that would happen over a period of time. Slow and steady market will start actually moving down. All good news keeps coming, so markets may still rally here and there, but after that also what is going to happen is something which we have to see, because there will be a huge amount of flow of money which is going to come in, and this is not the price at which actually an investor is going to invest, because it's already too high valuation at this point of time. So the valuations are extremely expensive. As an investor, if I have to invest, I will not invest at these prices. That's my actually personal opinion. And similarly, the kind of money which is going to come in is in few thousands of crores, lakhs of crores, and this is not going to actually happen at these prices. So whenever there is any kind of correction, that is where actually all this smart money is going to go, and you need to actually embrace this downside which is going to come, because see, that downside is going to be a short period of time, but all the stocks are going to go up quite extensively over a period of time. So there will be stock specific opportunities. So those stocks which probably you want to hold on, there will be a lot of multi-baggers which is going to come and which can multiply like anything. So that is something which you have to start looking for. So market may start somewhere around 12,850 kind of a range. So there will be again a gap which is there, but I don't see too much of upside left. Maybe maximum another 50 points upside could happen from there, but after that holding on to that is a big challenge. So it's better that you need to move out of your long positions and wait for the right opportunity. This is still not a time for shorting, because we need confirmation for shorting, but definitely from here the upside looks like limited and downside will start opening up. But as I said, there is a lot of supports and the momentum is quite strong, so there will be stronger bounce back. So if you are doing any shorts, it has to be only on the intraday basis at this point of time. Don't hold any positions, because again the market may bounce back. So there will be a lot of opportunities you will get, so it's better for you to wait for the right kind of opportunities. And if you are trying to look at any shorting opportunities, it has to be only at the higher levels. Don't try to do at any mid levels and get stuck very badly. So that's what is the word of caution. And one thing what I can see is, even the commodity gold, silver, everything has actually come into the same exact consolidation phase, and looking at the way the whole situation is, probably we may start seeing gold, silver, crude, everything is going to have a correction at the same time. This will be probably once in history where all the stock market, commodity market, and the crude oil, all of them, the gold, silver, crude oil, stock market, all of them are going to correct at same time. It is quite possible. That's what I'm actually expecting. So let's see how things are going to work. At this point of time, all of them have moved from sideways to negative, is something which I'm trying to tell you. So I'm not telling you at this point of time to go and do outright shorts. What I'm saying is, get out of your long positions and wait for opportunities. Right now market looks sideways to negative. Okay guys, if you have liked this video, just click on this like button and subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon, so that you will get all the latest notifications. I'll be coming with swing trading ideas, so stay tuned, and let's see. I hope actually all of you can get benefited. Thank you very much guys. Have a great and profitable day.